To understand today's landscapes, or to imagine what they might become, we need to understand how climate has changed. As the climate warmed and the glaciers melted, the landscape changed dramatically. Over the next 14,000 years, a series of different plant communities marched across Minnesota. Pine moved in from the east. Deciduous forest from the south. As the climate dried out, prairie swept into the region. 5,000 years ago, the weather became cooler and wetter, sending the forest back west while the prairie retreated, leaving Minnesota blanketed with 3 rich biomes. University of Minnesota's Bryan Shuman studies past climate change to help us understand how future climate change might impact our environment.
What we found here is that, in fact, Minnesota's landscape is quite sensitive to changes in climate. There can be very dramatic effects on the resources that we depend on if climate changes. This is one of the big reasons for me to go out and study the history of the landscape, is to see how sensitive it is to climate change. It doesn't necessarily make predictions about how climate will change in the future, but it lets us see what types of changes should we expect when climate does change.